A new variant of the COVID-19 virus, also known as the Delta variant, is beginning to take root in the South, and it could be cause for concern for Alabama. The variant is believed to be more transmissible, associated with more severe disease and more likely to land those infected in the hospital, White House Vaccinations Coordinator Dr. Bichara Chukka said in a Facebook Live with AL.com. "We've detected the Delta variant in 60 countries," Chukka said. The good news though is that we know that a 2-dose mRNA vaccine like the Pfizer and the Moderna, if you get both doses, those appear to be effective against this variant. The Delta variant also poses a greater risk to young people, who aren't getting vaccinated as quickly as other age groups. In Alabama, just 21.6% of 18 to 29-year-olds have gotten their first shot. What we're seeing with the Delta variant out of the UK is significant transmissibility in 12 to 20 years olds, Chukka said. So whether you're young, whether you're older, if you're eligible for the vaccine, and in this country, that means anybody who's 12 and up, please get vaccinated. It's never been easier to get vaccinated. Currently, President Joe Biden has stated that the country's goal is to have 70% of eligible Americans vaccinated by the 4th of July. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, about 35% of people in Alabama have received at least one dose. We want to make sure that we're working with state government, with local government, with health systems, with faith-based organizations, not-for-profit organizations, to make sure that we're making it as easy as possible for people to get vaccinated, Chukka said. The good news is that new cases, hospitalizations and deaths are declining across the country. According to Chukka, people ages 65 and older used to make up 80% of COVID-19 related deaths in the US. Now that over 85% of them have received at least one dose, there has been an 80% reduction in deaths for people ages 65 and older. "We know vaccines work," Chukka said. "We're seeing those steep declines across the country, which is great, but the fact remains, if you're fully vaccinated, you're protected. If you're not fully vaccinated, you're not protected. And we want to make sure that we're protecting as many people as possible, particularly as we're starting to see this rise in the Delta variant across the country."